tool you're looking at right now is called Milanote, or Milanote. I've never used this tool myself, but I was looking at possible tools that you could use aside from Excalidraw for storyboarding, and this apparently has an excellent tool for that. You'll have to create a free account, unlike Excalidraw, which just allows you to play around with it in a free-form way without creating an account. You have to create an account for this. Once you're here on the home page, you can come over to the board here, and we're going to click and create a new board. What this is more like a new project. So I'm going to call this Mystery Locket Game Storyboard. Okay, I'm going to double click on that, and now it says, okay, do you want to do this from scratch, or do you have some type of layout you want to work? Luckily, they have a preset storyboard, so I can click on storyboard and say, use this template. Now they're going to clear out all the little pieces, and it's going to give us whatever shot 1, shot 2 is. So I can then double click on this and call this project name to the Mystery of the Locked Chest. Any additional notes we want to add in, any sound we want, this is, we'll call it start screen or opening. I like start screen. Next one we have scene 1, discovery. Scene 2, the action. Or two paths. Scene 3, the ending. And then for the rest of it, we'll just right click on it and say delete, delete. Okay. And so what I'm doing, you're seeing me slide back and forth. You can use the arrows. You can use the arrows to, or the sliding bars to move left and right, or you can use your middle mouse button, click on it, and notice it turns into a little fist like it's grabbing something, and then you can, while it's held down, move side to side. Depends on what type of screen you're on, or computer operating system, and how your mouse is. If it's a single button click to a double click, it's different. So if I'm on the touchpad, I don't get that option. I just have to slide with the touchpad, which is fine. So for the start screen, we could draft up something graphically and put it in here, add an image into it. I'm not going to get too detailed into it. You can play around with the tool yourself. But yeah, that's the basics of the storyboarding layout.